I would probably describe Han Solo as the cynical, mercenary space pirate with the cream filling, you know. He's a nice guy.
My baby gives me satisfaction. My baby gives me all his love. Lets me know I'm his main attraction. No one else is gonna feel his touch. I love the way he drives me crazy. From now on, I'm gonna love my baby. My baby is a full-time lover. My baby is a full-grown man. Makes me feel like a natural woman. I know he's the only one who can rock my world, and I don't mean maybe. From now on, I'm gonna love my baby. No one can take me away from my baby. I'm holding on to heaven in his arms. My baby is a rolling thunder. My baby is a southbound train. His love is like a long hot summer, calms me down like a cuckoo rain. His sweet, wonderful ways amaze me. It's no wonder why I love my baby.